Hi everybody, François Pottevin talking. I'm gonna show you in this short demo video how we could fulfill the demand for monthly invoicing generation for the agents. I remind you that for this case we have two options. One is to interface with the accounting software, where ECS Imaging will send all information in a CSV format to the accounting software so that the software generates a monthly invoice. Another option is that we use ECS Imaging business intelligence module to generate the invoice. That's what I'm gonna show you now. You know this screen? This screen is my work list with all the patients I have been processing, registering, or working with during the months. And it includes all information you need about it and all the invoicing information. Here you see the status of the invoice, whether it has been created, edited, validated, or paid. And these are all the payment information for each patient. How much payment amount is due, how much has been paid, what is the remaining balance, and whether the full payment has been done, which is validated by the green sign here, or if there are still some payments to be done, the gray sign here. And you also see here in this work list the requesting person, which in our case here will be the agent that has been referring the patient to Trinity. So ECS Imaging is integrated with our BI module for business intelligence, which creates a lot of different kind of reports, statistics, or document based on the information in there. And to access it, you just press the button here, which is BI, and you will then jump to this screen, which is our Evolution Analytics screen. In this screen, you can actually access a lot of different reports that we create for you or that you create for yourself. And in this case, I created the report Agent Monthly Invoice. It is a report that you see here, where I can basically filter which months I want to generate the invoice for, and for which referring physician, which is actually in our case, for which agents I want to generate the invoice for. This will be all my agents. And so for Mrs. Agron Amandine, this will be how the invoice will look like, which is made of a header with whatever we want to display, the logo of Trinity, the name of the invoice, and the dynamic name of the agent, the name of the month, and the total amount of the invoice, which is the sum of all these amounts in there. This will be the detail of the invoice made of the referring person, the name of the patient, its administrative ID, the date of the exam, the protocol, the invoice number, and the amount, or whatever amount we want to calculate based on it. And there is here the footer that I pre-designed. For sure, if I change the physician name, then I will get another report, right? So it's quite dynamic, and you will see if I do that, the names and amount and all the information will be updated dynamically. So here now the name of the agent will be this one, the amount is different, and the list is different. And for each of these reports, which are quite dynamic for each agent or each month, I can decide to extract it either via email. So I will send an email here to myself, for instance, that I can just receive in my mailbox. Or I can as well organize an automatic sending of this email. So for instance, I can decide that this email will be sent every month, the first day of the month at 3 p.m. With the reports and the invoice in this case attached in Excel format or PDF format to this kind of email address, mailing list that I create for it. And so every month at this date, the invoice will be updated based on the latest information of the last month and sent to the right people. I can also, if I don't want to send it by email, just decide to download it either in Excel format or in PDF format. This will be the the solution we would suggest if it has to be done within ECS Imaging by using the so-called business intelligence module of ECS Imaging.